Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are quite well. Here is mega pack of icons. Total icon is 24,894 plus are in 656 folder. Total main folder is, I think main pack is 22. Here is agriculture icons. These are different format, AI for CS version, EPS and PNG, SVG. Here is color or outline. Here is axis pixel, agriculture about, and here is outline. Okay, and next is garden icon, PNG color, and okay, next is one thanks, and 60 is coffee, and 264 lines icon set. These are for Adobe Illustrator. Okay, and here is 500 blue lines with different gas, IO, EO and YNG files. Okay, here is PSD, wow, for Photoshop, CC+. Here is files, HTML, Java. Okay, next is 900 plus digital vectors icon set for Adobe Illustrator. Wow, so you can move it or you can change an color or anything. Here is 1400 plus digital vectors. These are same. Here is 600, 800 for Adobe Illustrator. 1500 plus ninja bundle. Oh, 20 man arrows, business, communication, fashion, food icon, ISO icon. Okay, IT, medical icon, APS, PNG. Wow, multimedia, sport, PNG, and hair evolution. Wow. Next is computer hardware. These are in zip file, so you can extract different icon for Adobe Illustrator. Dago startup. Here is different format. Element, medical icons, PNG. Okay, and next is Internet of Things icon bundle. These are in zip file. Here is marketing icon, shopping, e-commerce icons. These are in zip file. And here is Save Children, Valente, the icon. These are protected password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for a lifetime. I hope these icons are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.